Bunsen ha ki office sarkar la GE tangi ka jing tho wat ta shun wat bia hangni Henry ha office ka Sericulture and weaving ka sarkar jala kabdan hala shumia kala pau ka dur Lymphuin ka Samla ringkat ka riam khasi ya ka ne ka dur ne mural apli do bapo lingdo umintri ka tanat textile ka jala ha ka khandai trek nailur aja apsa bapo ulom badai tang ha ki office sarkar meghalaya ha ka ne ka jala kala jusham ne ka jing tho wat ta shun wat bia Henry ha ki wiki yeng bro am jidan kum ka ne ka jing tho lo om bakadang kan ka jing khoj ka jing la khoj ka ban stang na yeng bat kum jo ban pelong ka nong ba shlong ka khoj ka ba itanan ya ka ni ka jing draw ya ka dur Lymphuin ha kan ro jing tay ka ni office la le da ka start India ringkat ke jing trailam ba ka Asia.
The second wall that I had the golden opportunity of inaugurating together with the association of your group, Samla, director, friends from the media fraternity, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a moment of pleasure, joy and celebration for the Department of Textiles because today we have been able to add life, color and vibrancy to what was all along just a drab wall. And I immediately recall the Pink Floyd, another brick in the walls, that today we have another mural on the walls. And I think we will go on painting, if not painting our town red, at least paint it with a lot of colors, make our city attractive and graduate beyond what we normally see in government offices. Whenever you come across or go inside most government offices, the only artwork you can see is do not drop line, wat tak Shun, do not spit, wat biak. I think today we have graduated beyond that, and I would request all of you, I see a lot of women as staff of the directorate here. One thing that we practice, which Vikash had referred to, tribal customs, tribal practices. One of the few things that we practice here is cleanliness, starting from our homes, from our houses. So it's surprising that when you go to any house, either in Shillong or in the villages, nobody writes on their walls, "Wat tak Shun Hani." It is only when you go to government offices that you have such a warning depicted in large letterings, which means that the concept that this is our office, this is our building, this is our bread and butter, that is yet to sink very deeply. So with more such murals coming up, I think the textiles department has really come of age, and we are ready to show to the rest of the world that Meghalaya is not only God's gift, but man has also contributed his bit to make the place, to make our state more scenic, more beautiful, more eye-catching. If you look at the nature around us, just the trees around us, the colors that you see, those are God's gift to us. So we should ask ourselves, what do we return? What do you have to give in return for what God has gifted us? And I think it's very clear. Make our city more colorful, make our city more aesthetically appealing, and if a simple urn can move John Keats to write his ode to a Grecian urn, why not the beauty that we see around us? So once again, my heartiest congratulations to